Yo guys, what's up? JAWneS here, and in today's video I'm starting a new mini series where I tell you everything you need to know about the PlayStation 5. This console is being released next week, it's so soon, and there's a few things you need to know before you start using your PlayStation 5. And this video's topic is about transferring all the data that you have on your PS4 into your PlayStation 5 so you can continue your games, you can keep track of your progress and your trophies and everything else. So first of all, make sure that you software update your PlayStation 4 and sign into the same account that you're going to use on the PlayStation 5. And then go ahead and set up internet connection on your PlayStation 4 like you usually do. And then you need to set up internet connection on your PlayStation 5 as well. As soon as they get released, I'm gonna show you how you can set up internet connection on your PlayStation 5, but go ahead and do the regular setup with custom or automatic DNS, it doesn't matter. But make sure you connect both PlayStations to the same router of your Wi-Fi. And if you want to make the copy faster, because on Wi-Fi it's gonna take time, go ahead and connect both consoles with an Ethernet cable, and it's this output that you will see on your PlayStation. So go ahead and insert the Ethernet cable in your PS4 and in your PS5, and then when you turn on both consoles, you're gonna wait for it to do the data transfer. Just hit continue and wait for it to finish. On your screen, on your PS4 you will see transferring, and on your PS5 you will see the files that are getting transferred, and it could be games, capture gallery, recordings and everything you saved on your PlayStation. Now for the discs, you can go ahead and just insert the disc. If you have a game that is on PS4 and is compatible, you can just insert it and play it. If you downloaded games on the external hard disk, or you have them and you want to copy them via a hard disk, you can do it and copy it to the PS5. So what you need to do in this situation, because some people like to download digital games and then copy them, go to the settings where you see the storage, and you will see, for example, the applications, which are the games you have downloaded on your system. What you need to do from here is to plug in your external hard disk and then go to the storage settings, and then when you go to the games, go ahead and select the games you want and then move them to the extended storage. Once you move them to the extended storage, you just have to plug it in the PlayStation 5 and you can go ahead and play this game on your new console. PlayStation Store. If you have some games downloaded from the PlayStation Store, don't worry, as long as you are signed in on the same account, all you have to do is to sign in into your and go in the PlayStation Store on the PlayStation 5, and then you'll be able to download the games or just download them from the game library that you will find on your console. Next thing is the save data that you can access and save on your PlayStation Plus account. So what you need to do is to upload your save data on your PlayStation Plus account. On your settings, go to save data and then press upload on system storage. Then when you upload it on system storage, you can go ahead and download it on your PlayStation 5, or if you don't want to, just copy it to your USB. It's the second option that you are given, and then when you copy it to the USB, go ahead and then plug the USB inside your PlayStation 5 and then copy them back, while also making sure that you're using the same account. And this has been it. This is the first video, and these are the first steps that you need to do before you start using your PlayStation 5. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.